Hello everybody, this is Akansh Suman here. Now we are going to discuss according to the type of contact, how many types of kinetic pairs are there. So basically we have classified the kinematic pairs into three categories. First one is according to the type of relative motion, second is according to the type of contact, and the third is according to the type of closure. So we are discussing the second part, that is according to the type of contact. So in the type of contact, kinematic pairs are classified into three categories. The first is lower pair, second is higher, and the third is wrapping pair. What is the meaning of the lower pair? We need to understand. When there is a surface or area contact between the links, what I am going to say, that is surface or area contact. Okay, if there is a surface or area contact between the links, then we can say they are going to make lower pair. Okay, what is surface or area contact? Okay, if I want to talk about the examples of the lower pair, that would be sliding pair. Okay, sliding pair is also the lower pair because there is a surface contact. Sliding pair, for example, if there is a slider which is running on a surface, that will make the lower pair because the ground and the slider will make surface contact or area contact, you can say. So basically the example is sliding pair, and the second is the turning pair is also the lower pair. Okay, so turning pair is also considered as the lower pair. Okay, so these are the examples, and you want to know about the mechanisms, then it would be pantograph. From exam point of view, that is important. Pantograph is a mechanisms, okay, that having lower pair, and universal joint is also the lower pair. Universal joint, most of the students will get confused between the lower pair and the higher pair when I'm talking about the universal joint. Okay, so you must have to clear that universal joint is example of lower pair, because in the universal joint there are a surface or area contact. Okay, now I'm talking about the next, that is higher pair. If there is a point contact, if there is a point contact or line contact, there is a point contact or line contact, then we will say this will make higher pair. Point contact or line contact. So if I'm talking about the examples of the higher pair, that would be first and best example of the higher pair is cam and follower. What is cam and follower? Cam and follower is the best example of the higher pair. Higher pair means there is a point contact or line contact between the links. If you want to know more examples of the higher pair, that would be a wheel running on the surface. For example, there is a wheel which is running on the surface. Okay, this will make a point contact here. Okay, there is a point contact. So that is why they are making higher pair. That is point contact. So both are making higher pair. If you want to know the cam and follower graphical representation, then it would be cam and follower would be like that. Okay, there is a point contact, always there is a point contact. Okay, and follower will slide here, and cam is going to be rotated. So this will make the point contact, you can see here, that is the point contact, and that is why cam and follower will making higher pair. Okay, basically we generally consider belt and rope in the higher pair, but if you want to separate it, it would be the next pair, that would be wrapping pair. Okay, that would be belt and rope. What I'm going to say, generally belt and rope is considered as a higher pair, but if we want to classify into it, another category that would be the wrapping pair. Okay, so belt and rope generally considered as the wrapping pair, but if there is no options in the questions about wrapping pair, then you can consider higher pair as an answer. Okay, because if there is a pulley and there is a belt which is wrapped over the pulley, this will make both of the link are making line contact. Okay, line contact. So that is why there is no criteria for the wrapping pair. Generally it is a part of the higher pair. Okay, so if nothing is given about the wrapping pair, then you can generally consider higher pair as your answer. Okay, so I hope you will understand the lower pair and the higher pair and the wrapping pair. Now from the numerical point of view, you must remember one thing, that one higher pair one higher pair is equal to two lower pair. From numerical point of view, you must remember this. One higher pair is equal to two lower pair. Okay. Now that's it. I hope you will understand the lower pair, higher pair, and the wrapping pair. Thank you.